Now here we are going to come to how to use a machine to clean your stamped concrete. To do this, you need this tool. This is the tool you need. Look at it. Yeah, that's the tool you need. It's called a pressure washer. Pressure washer does a lot of things. But for the purpose of this course, we'll be using it to strip off our release agent from our freshly poured and stamped concrete. When using a machine or a pressure washer, you need a minimum of 4 to 5 days. Yes, 4 to 5 days after your last pour for a pressure washer, because the pressure washer carries a lot of pressure that if you use it too early on your stamped concrete and you are not experienced, you could damage your concrete. But an experienced person can use it even after the second day. I don't want to encourage you to do that but I'll explain how you can do that too, so that you can do it. But be very careful. Maybe start from a hidden area. Now, the pressure washer has a control that controls how much pressure the water jet from the nozzle of the pressure washer produces per time. The highest pressure is so high that it could strip your skin off your body. Yes. So a pressure washer is actually very dangerous. You don't want to use it on a person's body. You don't want to use it on a piece of paint directly when the pressure is on the highest. You don't want to use it on your car paint either when the pressure is on the highest. It strips off different things. In fact, they use it to do sandblasting in some cases to blast off rust from metals. So you need to be very careful when working with the pressure washer. Now, for the purpose of this training, you want to set it to something at about 1,800 to 2,000 psi. That's the highest pressure you want to use. And then you want to ensure that the nozzle does not come in direct contact with your concrete surface. You want to keep a distance of a minimum of 1 foot from your concrete surface at that pressure. So I'm going to hold the nozzle a minimum of 1 foot away from my concrete when I'm washing it. So I just do a backward and forward stroke like he's doing on the screen and begin to strip off the release. You see the distance he had to keep the pressure washer, this nozzle, away from the concrete. That's what you want to do. Because if you bring it too close, the concrete is still fresh. So it will strip off your color hardener and reveal fresh concrete, and even strip off the concrete and reveal wounded concrete or scratched concrete or scuffed concrete. So you want to make sure that you don't put your pressure washer too close to your concrete surface while you pressure wash, and you'll be cool. So fresh work, put it further away from the concrete. But when the concrete is dry and properly hardened, you can bring it close. It has no problem once it has cured to the capacity or to the highest point. So that's how to use your equipment or your machine to get your surface cleaned. Now, we'll go to the next lesson in a while, but this is the end of the washing or the cleaning. You clean off the entire surface, allow it to dry completely, and then we'll go to the next phase, which is the final phase of getting your stamped concrete done. And bye-bye for now. I'll see you in the next lesson.